So we're given three expressions here. It says find an algebraic expression equivalent to them. Let's do 30 first. Number 30 says tangent of inverse cosine or arc cosine of x over 3. Okay, since it's positive, I'm going to draw my arc cosine, the first quadrant here, and let that be the theta of that triangle. And since it's inverse cosine, it's adjacent, which is x over hypotenuse 3. So if you find the other leg here, it's going to be 9 minus x squared, but the whole thing square root. You could check it by using Pythagorean theorem. And then that's equal to tangent of that angle. Remember, this is the angle, so that angle right there. It's just going to be tangent of this triangle right there, theta being the angle there. So it's going to be opposite, which is square root of 9 minus x, everything over adjacent x. So that should be the answer to number 30. And we do 31. It's arc cosine x this time. So we do 31 here. So we draw a triangle again here in the first quadrant. And let that be the theta. Arc cosine or inverse cosine, it's adjacent over hypotenuse. So if you have to figure out the other leg here, it has to be 1 square minus this square, x squared. So 1 square, which is 1 minus x squared, and then you do square root. Okay, and then you do sine. So sine of that theta is going to be opposite 1 square root of 1 minus x squared, and then over 1, which I don't have to put. So that should be the answer for 31. And for number 32, so it's positive, so I'm going to draw my triangle in the first quadrant. And then it's arctangent, so I'm going to let that be theta here. Arctangent, opposite, which is x, over adjacent. That's 2. So let's figure out the hypotenuse here. So it's going to be square root of x squared plus 2 squared, which is 4. And then we do sine. So sine of that theta is going to be opposite over hypotenuse, which is square root of x squared plus 4. So that's how you do these 3 problems.